Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW X3 rear bumper. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level surface and engaging the parking brake firmly. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues during the process. Gather essential tools like a trim removal tool, a Torx T20 screwdriver, and a soft blanket for the bumper. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and safe removal. Now, let's tackle the fasteners. Begin by removing the two Torx T20 screws found within each rear wheel arch liner. These are usually visible once you pull back the liner slightly. Next, look underneath the vehicle for 4 plastic rivets securing the bumper to the undercarriage. Carefully unclip these. Finally, open your trunk and lift the floor cover to find and remove the 2 bolts hidden beneath. Take your time with each step. With the main fasteners out, it's time to disconnect the electrical components and clips. Gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, just enough to access the electrical connectors for your parking sensors or lights. Carefully disconnect these by pressing their release tabs. Then, focus on the side mounting brackets. Apply gentle outward pressure to unclip them from the body. Ensure all wiring harnesses are completely free before proceeding further. You're almost there. With all fasteners, electrical connections, and clips released, the bumper is ready for final removal. Carefully pull the bumper straight back from the vehicle, ensuring it clears all mounting points. It's a good idea to have a second person assist you, or at least a soft blanket or mat on the ground to place the bumper on immediately. This prevents any scratches or damage. Inspect all mounting points for damage before reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.